Hello everyone. In this short video, we are going to give some tips and tricks on vocal announcements about the route we're following. So I go to the route page on the default announcement profile. On this page, you can enable or disable 5 types of information. In order from top to bottom, these are azimuth, relative bearing, distance, CMG, and gap to route segment. Azimuth. This is the cardinal direction from the currently enabled waypoint, that is the waypoint we are heading towards. If this point is exactly south in relation to our sailboat, the azimuth is at 180 degrees. If it's at northeast, the azimuth is at 45 degrees. Relative bearing. This is the angle formed between our sailboat's forward direction and the direction that should be followed to head straight for the point we are sailing towards. If we head straight towards that point, the bearing is at 0 degrees. Another example is if that point is straight to our left, the bearing is at 90 degrees to the left port side. If it's behind us on our right, this would be 140 degrees to the starboard side, for example. Distance. This is the distance between us and the point we're sailing towards. Note that you can set the units of distance used by Sara Navigation. To do so, select the Settings tab on menu level 1. Then go to General. You can use meters or nautical miles. CMG means course made good. It's a unit of speed expressed in knots or kilometers per hour depending on the unit selected in the settings. In simple terms, the CMG gives your efficient speed towards the waypoint you're heading for. The higher your CMG is, the better your balance between course and speed. Gap to route segment. This is the distance which separates your sailboat from the current course segment. By current segment, I mean the segment followed by the point you have just passed and the one you are now heading towards. This helps you to understand if you're close to the direct route between 2 points or if you are drifting, of course. Note that you can set these announcements in your announcements profile even no route or waypoints are enabled. However, Sara will only mention them when you have enabled a route or waypoint. One final important remark. A visually impaired sailor can check the information about their route at any time by reading it on their screen with voiceover. They can find it by selecting the Navigation tab on menu level 1 and then Route on menu level 2.
Voiceover on. Sara Nav. Cancel. Button. OK. Button. Navigation. Tab. 1 of 5. Menu route page 2 on 5. Selected menu route page 2 on 5.
In the next video, we're going to discuss the information provided by the navigation system.